Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is create views in Tooltips on Tableau. Man, what is it? So, first of all, let's see what we have here. We have here an Excel file with I don't know how many countries we have here. I think 15. 15 largest oil producers in the world. So the largest one, the US and Russia, Saudi Arabia, Canada, Iraq, and so on. And here we have some qualitative characteristics here. The region where they are located, so a lot of countries here. The GDP, if it is high income, upper middle, or GDP on PPP or nominal, and the Human Development Index. And then let's do some stuffs on Tableau. So let me close it here. Let's go on Tableau, Excel. Where are you? Excel here, and whoops. Create, where are you? Oh, a lot of videos here. Create views in Tableau. So this is the one that we will get. So here, the first, we have our database where we have our country and oil production. But we also need to extract some qualitative info. So from GDP, and we have a relation, and it's good because on both we have a column called country. We will also collect info from HDI, and that is also good because we also have name country and region. As well, we also have the name country. So that is good when you want to relate it. Name the column with the same name. It will be easier. So, okay, let's go here. Database, our country. So we will creating a map. And then oil production will be here. And then by the size of it. Or we can go on colors. Whoops. Let's do like a regular map. America, Africa, and Europe, and Asia. So, whoa, okay, here the largest, the US, and so on. So, and then we will go on country as the label. So here we have where they are located, but here there are some missing Iran, and so let's take it out. Or we can label it, and on font we can go on 8. Now we are better, only Iran is here. So we have here the oil production, but this is the tooltip. I want add additional info. For instance, the region. So let's find the region. Region here, we go on details. And then here, region, Middle East, Asia and Pacific, Europe, North America, South or Latin America, South and Latin America. And then the HDI, also on detail. Oops, it's not this HDI that I want. So it's the Human Development Index. One unknown. Which one is the unknown? No, it's not this one. Oh, come on. Oh, it's here, Human Development Index. Okay, now we are good. And then it shows Human Development Index, very high, human development. And then let's go on the GDP. So the GDP on PPP, that is. And here also one unknown, so I think it's this one. Yeah. So very high or high income on GDP, low and middle income, very high income. But I want to change the order. And I don't want this GDP twice, ADI twice, region twice. How do we fix that? So these are the tooltips. So here we go to the tooltips. And we adjust them here. So let's delete this. Let's delete this. And let's delete this. So okay, better. But country GDP, let's make it pretty. Let's go region up and oil production up as well. So here, region and oil production, cut, paste. Now, much pretty, huh? So that is the tooltip. That is how we do the tooltip. And we can delete this one here, hide cards, pretty. We just cut Russia. Okay. Yes. Okay. We can do it on, for instance, let's duplicate it. Instead of going to the map, let's go here on columns. And then we don't want here, we only want country, but GDP will go on detail. HDI will go on detail. Region will go on detail. And when we come here, it shows us the same. And then we can go on the same tooltip. We can actually copy this tooltip and paste them here. See, we can also go, so here, Iran, I want more info about them, their oil production, and if they are, where they are located, and what about the GDP and HDI, or high human development, based on the Human Development Index, so they have a high human development. Canada, very high human development, and so on. So upper middle income, upper middle. See, they are rich countries, high income, upper middle, low and middle Nigeria, high income and high income. The US, high income. So they are rich countries, but low human development for Nigeria, high human development, very high. Kazakhstan, very high, and medium human development for Iraq, and so on. So here we can see all of additional info. That is what we can do on Tooltip. Interesting, huh? That is amazing. And then we can go on a dashboard, map, another map here, and then we come here, worksheet. Let's delete the title, and let's move our map around here, and here we can also delete the title and go to the US and here to China and so on. So we can also do that on Tooltips. So here we can have the info. It doesn't matter if in the map or in the chart. See, that is what the tooltip is about. Very, very good if we are working on Tableau without exporting it. So it is quite interesting to do. Whoops. Now here. So guys, thank you so much. Questions or comments, leave them here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.